This food festival is much bigger than I expected, Tom.
The smell of grilled meat and spices is everywhere.
Look at that bright yellow truck with the long line.
It says they serve authentic Mexican tacos and nachos.
I heard their guacamole is the best in the city.
Should we wait in line or look for something else?
Let's stay here. The line is moving quite fast.
I hope they have some options that are not too spicy.
You can always ask them to hold the chili peppers.
True, I want to enjoy the flavor without burning my tongue.
I am really curious about their special pineapple salsa.
Fruit in a taco sounds like a very strange idea.
Trust me, the sweetness matches the salty meat perfectly.
I am more of a traditional steak and cheese person.
This is a festival, so you must try something unique.
Okay, I will be brave and follow your recommendation.
That is the spirit of a real food explorer, Tom.
Do you think one portion is enough for me?
The portions here look quite large and very filling.
I am getting hungrier just watching the chef cook.
He is very fast with that large kitchen knife.
The corn tortillas are made fresh right on the grill.
Fresh ingredients always make a huge difference in taste.
I'll check if they accept credit cards at this stand.
Most trucks have a small terminal for digital payments.
Yes, I see the logo on the window glass.
We're almost at the front of the line.
Get your phone ready to take a photo of the menu.
I already know exactly what I'm going to order.
I am still deciding between chicken and beef.
The menu board has so many interesting combinations.
What is the difference between a taco and a burrito?
A burrito is large and wrapped in a flour tortilla.
I think I prefer the smaller tacos for today.
Then you can try 3 different flavors at once.
That is a smart way to sample the whole menu.
I will take the tropical shrimp taco for myself.
I see a spicy buffalo option with blue cheese.
That sounds very intense, even for a food festival.
Maybe I should stick to the classic carnitas instead.
Look, they have a vegetarian option with roasted sweet potato.
It looks colorful, but I really want some protein.
The beef brisket has been cooking for 12 hours.
Then it must be very tender and juicy inside.
Let's get a side of crispy yuca fries to share.
I never tried yuca before. Is it like a potato?
It is a bit creamier and very popular in South America.
I am learning so much about global food today.
That is the best part of these outdoor events.
The prices are listed per taco or for a set of 3.
The set is a much better deal for our budget.
I will pay for the food if you get the drinks.
Deal. I saw a stand with fresh limeade nearby.
Make sure the drinks have plenty of ice cubes.
It is a very warm afternoon, so we need to stay cool.
The person in front of us is finishing their order.
Be ready to tell the chef about your spice level.
Mild is the safest word for my stomach tonight.
I am going for the medium to feel some heat.
You are much braver than I am, Emma.
Write a comment. 3 best comments get 20 English lessons completely free.
Hello, we would like to order 2 sets of tacos.
Can I have 2 shrimp tacos and 1 sweet potato?
And I'll take 3 of the slow-cooked beef brisket.
Please put the pineapple salsa on all of them.
For my order, please keep the spicy sauce on the side.
We also want a large portion of the yuca fries.
Do you have any napkins or wet wipes here?
Street food can be very messy to eat with hands.
The cashier says the wait time is 10 minutes.
That is perfect. I can go find the drinks.
Here is the little black pager that vibrates when ready.
I will meet you by that tall wooden table.
Don't forget to ask for a straw for the limeade.
I prefer the paper ones to protect the environment.
I am watching the chef put the meat on the grill.
The sound of the sizzling fat is so inviting.
This truck is very clean and well organized inside.
I like seeing how they prepare the food in front of us.
It gives me confidence about the quality of the meal.
I am back with 2 large cups of cold limeade.
The mint leaves inside the drink look very fresh.
They added a little bit of ginger for a kick.
Ginger is very healthy and good for digestion.
Is the pager vibrating in your hand yet?
Not yet. They are still preparing the yuca fries.
I can see the steam rising from the deep fryer.
People are sitting on the grass and enjoying the sun.
It is a perfect day for a culinary adventure.
Oh, wait. The pager's buzzing and glowing red.
Go get our treasure. I'm starving.
Everything is here and it looks even better than the photos.
The colors of the vegetables are so bright and beautiful.
The yuca fries are very hot, so be careful.
Try a bit of this white sauce with your beef.
It is a garlic cream and it tastes amazing.
My shrimp taco is a perfect balance of flavors.
I am trying the beef without the spicy sauce first.
What do you think about the pineapple salsa now?
You are right, it is actually a very good combination.
I told you that sweet and salty go well together.
The meat is so tender it melts in my mouth.
These corn tortillas are much better than the store ones.
I can taste the authentic flavor of the corn.
Let's try the yuca fries with the spicy dip.
It is a bit hot, but the limeade helps a lot.
I'm glad we decided to come to this festival.
I usually eat the same thing every single weekend.
Variety is the spice of life, my friend Tom.
I'm already thinking about what to try next.
We should save some space for a sweet dessert.
I saw a stand selling churros with melted chocolate.
That is exactly what I was thinking about.
We can share one portion since we are quite full.
This limeade is the most refreshing thing ever.
My tacos are finished and I am very satisfied.
I'm taking one last bite of my sweet potato taco.
The atmosphere here makes the food taste better.
Live music and happy people create a great vibe.
Let's clean up our table before we move on.
I'll put the trash in the recycling bin over there.
I feel a lot of energy after that delicious lunch.
Walking around will help us feel less heavy.
There's a long line for the Italian gelam stand.
But the churro stand is just around the corner.
I can see the golden dough frying in the oil.
They cover them in cinnamon and brown sugar.
The smell is making me hungry all over again.
Can we get the chocolate sauce on the side?
I like to dip them while they are still crunchy.
Look at those giant waffles with strawberries and cream.
No, let's stick to our first plan for the churros.
You are very disciplined when it comes to desserts.
I just know what I like and I am loyal to it.
One order comes with 6 long churro sticks.
That is perfect for 3 sticks for each of us.
I'll go and buy a hot cup of black coffee.
Coffee and chocolate are the best partners in the world.
I'll meet you near the fountain in 5 minutes.
The sun is starting to go down behind the buildings.
The lights of the festival are turning on.
Everything looks so magical and festive in the evening.
I'm back with a cup of aromatic Brazilian coffee.
And I have the warm churros in this paper cone.
They are so crispy on the outside and soft inside.
Dip it into the chocolate and tell me what you think.
This is the best way to end our food tour.
I am very happy we spent this day together.
We discovered 3 new favorite foods today.
My stomach is full and my heart is happy.
Let's sit and watch the people for a while.
The festival is becoming much more crowded tonight.
Everyone wants to enjoy the food and the music.
I am glad we arrived early to avoid the biggest lines.
We were very lucky with the weather today, too.
Not a single cloud in the sky all afternoon.
I'll write down the name of that taco truck.
I want to find them again at the next event.
They have a social media page with their schedule.
I will follow them to see where they go next week.
Do you have any favorite moment from today?
My favorite part was trying the pineapple salsa.
I am proud of you for trying something new, Tom.
It showed me that I should be more open-minded.
Street food is a great way to learn about cultures.
You don't need a plane ticket to taste the world.
Exactly. The world can come to our city park.
My jeans are feeling a little bit tight after all that.
That is a sign of a very successful food festival.
We should walk back home instead of taking the bus.
That is a very healthy and practical idea.
I'll carry your bag if you feel too tired.
Thank you, but I have enough energy for a walk.
Let's take one last look at the colorful lights.
The city looks so beautiful and alive tonight.
Thank you for organizing this trip, Emma.
Thank you for being such a great companion.
Next time, I will choose the food truck for us.
I am looking forward to seeing your choice.
It might be something very spicy next time.
I'll bring some extra water just in case.